20,000 bookmarks? What the 20,000 bookmarks? Oh, on in front of the journalists. That's crazy. Oh my God. It's still going. I cannot believe this has 50,000 likes. I sneezed so hard and I was so dehydrated that I had a severe abdominal cramp. And this was actually in front of the Finnish national TV broadcasters that were filming me the entire time. 20,000 bookmarks? That my bad, guys. I was under the table. I don't want to free scroll this. I wonder how many of these bookmarks are from my haters who also are gooning to me. Hate gooning. Yeah, that is real. That's a real thing that people do. Be careful. You might get an ulcer reporting on unpleasant news. Yeah, I think it's fine.